Hey guys, I'm staying here at the Venetian in Las Vegas. I did a room tour for my channel last night, TBTSLOTS on YouTube. Go check out the full video. But it was late when I did that. It was dark, and I had no idea that I would be right next to this. Dun 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 dun. Yes, that was my own version of the Star Wars Imperial March. Have a good one, guys. Check out the full review on TBTSLOTS on YouTube. All right, guys, we are here at the Wynn and staying in room 5146. This is the newly remodeled double king or double queen. So let's go in and take a look.
Come on in, y'all.
All right, so as we walk in, got the bathroom to the right, shower with bench, your deep soaking tub right there. You've got your dual vanities and your amenity tower. This is my, I love this hotel. Everything just smells so great in here. You've got your, I say that and we're in the toilet room. So there you go. You've got that. Got your plush robes. Nice big mirror. We just came in and set our stuff down. Got your closet. Standard safe. Little shelf area, extra bedding up top, and then you do have, this is a smart room, so you've got your Alexa, your standard TV, your bar area. Do love this nightlight. I think this is the coolest thing for a hotel room. I love it. And then just your standard 2 queen bed, decent space. Alexa, open the blinds.
Okay.
And let's see what our view is. Alexa, open the drapes.
Okay.
And it looks like we are overlooking, we're on the 51st floor, so we've got a nice view down to the pool area down there. And then you've got Resort World right there. Sorry about that glare back. And there's your shot of the room here at the Wynn. All right, guys, well, this is a comp stay here on our Vegas trip. So we're gonna head down to the casino, see what kind of winnings we can do, get some grub, and maybe head to Fremont. So make sure you guys check out all our videos from here. Jason is actually going to be posting some content as well with some other type of stuff for the channel. He's going to kind of help me out with the channel a little bit and post some different type of content as well. Some Keno video poker stuff. So really excited to have him help out and bring those things to the channel as well. So make sure you look out for his videos that are going to be coming, and show the love by liking, watching, and commenting on his videos. All right, guys. Well, appreciate it. He's also going to do some lives and talk about some of the Wendover stuff, the Vegas stuff, some of the unknown tips and tricks that he has kind of mastered. So really, it'll be exciting to see what he comes up with. Well, thanks, guys, for watching this room tour here at the Wynn, and have a great one. All right, guys, we're playing some free play here at Wynn, and just caught nice little train bonus here. We're playing quarter denom. Max bet is $12.50. And we got some okay numbers. Here we go. Let's go. Show you those up there. Let's get some words.
All aboard.
up just a hair. Oh, come on now. This can't be the bonus. Come on, give me one. There we go.
All aboard! All aboard!
One train at a time. Let's do it.
All aboard!
We had 600 in free play, so we've maximized that. There we go. All right, that's a $150 mini. Let's get another train. Come on now. Drop one. Oh. Save us. Come on, train. All right. Nice $812 pickup. Here on All Aboard. Quickly becoming one of my favorite games. Wish my local home casinos had these. Anyways, guys, we're playing the, I think it's like the Wild Horse version. So let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite version of All Aboard? I know there's the piggies and the horse and the train. Is it the train, the other version? Anyway, let me know. We're just here hitting good wins on free play. We'll be back. Hopefully we get another one. Alright guys, a couple spins later, you see, we got our free game bonus. What do we get? 5 games, right? Yeah. Here we go. Those don't hold, right? They don't stick? No. There we go. Little hit. It's over $100. There we go. Last one. Alright, $200 bonus on our free games. We'll keep going. Got it. Alright guys, we got another one. I guess you can get trains. Jason was just telling me. I had no idea. It's the first time I played this version, so. There you go. There's a nice hit. Is that 325?
325, yeah.
Nice 325 hit.
We're getting better at quarter math.
We are. My math teacher friends would be so proud. Alright, come on, do that again. Oh, last one. Boom, 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 boom. Nothing to line up. Alright, almost $400. We're rolling. Machine's hot.